Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day and thank you so much for being here. So as you can see from my background today, yes, the holiday season is upon us and I'm so excited that we are taking the Ruby Princess Cruise by Princess Cruises, and we're going on their 10-day Mexican Riviera Cruise, and this is going to be over Thanksgiving. So I'm so excited. We were so excited to finally be back on the seas, be back on the cruise, and sure, we're going to take you along for the ride. So I hope you'll subscribe and watch our journey together. In today's video, I want to share with you what we are packing for our 10-day Mexican Riviera Cruise. Now, keep in mind, this is just what we like to pack. Everyone's packing list will differ because we are going during November from San Francisco, the Bay Area. It is kind of fall, winter here. So it's going to be a little chilly. I want to say a couple days going to Mexico and then a couple days coming back. So we have 4 days of port days. That means we're stopping at 4 ports, and then we have 6 days of sea days. And obviously, because we're going to Mexico during November, my packing is going to look different from if I was going to Alaska in summer, or if I was going to the Caribbean any time of the year, really. So let me get started because I have a lot to talk to you about. The first thing that we're carrying is workout clothes. So he is carrying some t-shirts like this. So this is like an Under Armour t-shirt, and he also has, shorts to go along with it. And of course he also is carrying his gym shoes with him. Now me, I like to be a little bit of overpacker. I like to have more options than less when I'm on a trip. So I also love packing cubes. My husband, on the other hand, he's not a fan of packing cubes, so we both have different ways of packing our things. So I have all my gym stuff in this cute little packing cube, and what I'm carrying is a bunch of like crop top things, some gym tops. So let me show you an example of one of the gym tops I'm carrying. It's one of these like loose-ish gym tops that I'm carrying, and then I'm also carrying one of this like Fabletics top. These need to be ironed a little bit, so that'll be done soon. And then I also have some leggings. Now I'm carrying more than required leggings. I think I'm carrying like 5 to 6 leggings because I plan to wear them on the cruise or the port as well, because I really feel comfortable wearing leggings. So this is another like Fabletics green legging that I'm going to pair up with my t-shirts. Okay, so the next thing is going to be like regular other clothes. So for me, I'm carrying a mix of dresses and then shorts and t-shirt, but then I'm also carrying some like hoodie or like a fuzzy warmer type of clothes. So for me, I'm carrying like very basic t-shirts. This is just a basic t-shirt from Target. I have a couple of those, and then I also have like these Old Navy shorts that I can pair with any of the t-shirts really. And then for my husband, well, he hasn't even taken the tags of some of this, but he's carrying like t-shirts like this. Again, we like to shop at Target because they have good deals and good styles. And then he also has this really funky, cool looking t-shirt here, and then he also has like some short type of things to pair them up with, and again he's also carrying some long jeans. So again, if it's chillier or cooler outside, he can wear those jeans and long pants instead of shorts that he can actually wear on the port. The next thing I want to talk about is nightwear. Now again, I am a packing cube lover, so I have this packing cube full of my night clothes. And during the Thanksgiving or holiday time, Target has really good night wear. So I got this satin sleep set. This is like satin shorts, and then this is a really cute shirt to go along with it. And when I bought it, I didn't realize they were going to be full sleeves, but well, hey, they're really cute. And this is another style of those same shorts. And then I have 2 other like regular nightwear from Costco. So my husband is also carrying some shorts and t-shirts, but you get the drift. Next, I'm also carrying like some dress type of things. Now I'm trying to mix it up in terms of what I want to wear during formal nights. We have 2 formal nights because it's a 10-night cruise. So I'm mixing it up with respect to what I want to wear on the port, and then also what I can wear during formal night. So I am a big fan of dresses. So I got this dress, I want to say 3 years ago, from Amazon. And by the way, I can link everything that I'm showing here in the description thing below. So I got this really cute floral print dress, and I wore this on our last cruise on the Harmony of the Seas, and I think I wore this particular one on one of the formal nights. And you know, speaking of like being on the ship and enjoying the ship and everything, there are pools on the ship, but there's hot tubs on the ship. So I am carrying 3 swimming pool or swimwear type of things. I got a new swimwear for myself this year. I'm really liking this like satin thing with really nice teal green color, and the top on this is really cute because it's not like the regular bikini tops, which I'm not really comfortable with. This is more like a sports bra kind of thing. It doesn't like cinch you up, it doesn't hurt, or it's not like falling off. So this is a really nice option. And then to cover up, you know, if I want to just like walk up to the bar, grab a drink or things like that, I have this crochet type of like cover up with a slit on the side. So let me show that. Cool. So that has like a slit, and this goes like way beyond my knees. I also want to mention this other swim top with full sleeves actually, and this is really great if you're worried about, you know, getting a lot of sun exposure and you don't want to feel the effects of the sun. So sometimes I do choose to wear full length swimwear, and then I have like these swimming shorts underneath, so I feel more protected and covered from the sun. So yeah, that's about swimwear. And again, the similar thing, my husband is also carrying some like swim trunks to lounge around on the pool, or if we go to we're shopping by Cabo and Puerto Vallarta and things like that. So if we decide we want to go to the beach and chill and go in the water, we can take that along with us too. And speaking of formal wear, my husband is planning to carry a couple of like blazers like this that he can pair up with his pants and a really nice shirt to wear to the formal nights. And he also has some like, you know, formal type of shoes that he's gonna wear with that. I almost forgot to mention, this is like the warmest and coziest, you know, sweater type of thing that I got at Costco recently. It's really nice and fuzzy, so I can layer this up if I want to just like, you know, lounge on our balcony. We have a balcony cabin this time. I'm so excited. So if it's like chillier while we're going to and back from San Francisco, I can put those on and I can just like, you know, be cozy and comfy in my balcony. Alright, next I want to talk to you about makeup and toiletries, and I want to preface this by saying that yes, I'm an overpacker, I'm aware of it, but I would rather have more options than few ones, if that makes sense. So both me and my husband are carrying our own toiletries and makeup stuff. So this is the makeup bag slash toiletry thing that I am carrying, and it's really heavy and filled to the brim. Now one thing that this doesn't have is my makeup brushes, because I just washed them last night and they're drying. So oh yeah, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. So this is all of my stuff. I have my makeup things, like small bits and bobs here, and this one is filled with like foundation and lipstick and my eyeshadow palettes and things like that. And the things that actually popped out are my 2 little sunscreens. This is by e.l.f. It is SPF 30, and because this has just SPF 30 and I want more protection, I got this Eucerin Age Defying SPF 50, and this is lightweight and you know, broad, what is it called, broad spectrum SPF, and it also says that it's good to wear under makeup. And again, by e.l.f. I have their, you know, regular moisturizer, which also looks similar to this one, but this does not have SPF, and I'm planning to use this as my day cream and my night cream. This is amazing. And for my husband, he also has this nice little toiletry thing. I am going to pop my shampoo conditioner in this as well, and I'm a little torn if I want to carry my shampoo conditioner and body wash, because we do get that on the ship. And following that, I want to show you a really cool thing. So I recently got this like jewelry organizer thing. Look at how thin this is, and this is really cool and amazing because now I wear more jewelry or earrings, I want to say. So this has really nice, like, you know, compartmentalized things. I was looking for something like this where I can like store my earrings and bracelets and things like that, so they're more accessible and I can see all of them at once. So this is really nice because I can like put my earrings on display, and yes, I have quite a few of them. And they also have this like nice little pouch area where I can like hang it in these things, and these other ones are can just be used for display. And then you also have like some pockets right here. Let me hold this. Also have some pockets right here, and things to hang your necklaces. I don't wear a lot of necklaces, so if you were to use if you do wear necklaces, you can use that for that purpose, and then rings and things can go there. So I really like this. Doesn't take a lot of space, and also looks pretty cute. Next, I'm going to talk to you about shoes, and I'm going to carry about 5 pair of shoes. I know that's probably overkill, but hey, I'm going to be on vacation and I want as many options as I can. So these are some new Steve Madden shoes that I got recently. I feel like they're really like nice and fall-ish. They have like a little heel too, and they look really cute. I'm also carrying some like regular shoes. These are super comfortable. These are, I want to say Adidas. Yeah, Adidas Cloud Foam. Very comfortable. They have a like nice base, and they feel really good on the foot. And then I'm also going to carry some flats and heels. So like I said, I am carrying some like dressy stuff for formal nights and also to wear around the port. So I'm going to carry like some flat footwear like sandals and things, and also one nice heel that I don't have with me currently right here. For my husband, he's carrying again some like shoes, and he said he's going to double these up to wear to the gym as well. These are by New Balance, and he says they're really good and comfortable. And yes, I will also be carrying my gym workout shoes. I'm also carrying like a couple purse / crossbody type bags. This is a new Kate Spade crossbody bag that I got recently during the Black Friday sale. It's really cute. I like the really nice green pop of color. It's something that's out of my comfort zone because I always tend to get something like black, but this is going to be like a nice change. Next, I want to talk about lingerie. So of course my husband has his own set of like underwear and belt and socks and things like that, and then I have my own little bag which has everything in here. So this has my sport bra that I'm going to wear to the gym. This has my regular bras that I can wear out and about, and this also carries 12 pairs of underwear because anything can happen, so always carry extra of everything in here. And this is a really cute neat little organizer. Can you say that this actually holds so much? It was really hard for me to pack this in, but now it's done, so I'm not going to open this, but yeah, I want to mention that so I don't forget about the most important inner stuff. Now last but not the least, I want to talk to you about the most important stuff, and that is documentation. So we're carrying this neat little folder with us because this can have all our documents in one place and all the important stuff and paperwork, because without this we can't go on the ship or come back to the United States. So it has both of our passports, but first it has all of our luggage tags. So I got this cute little holder from Amazon again. I printed out our luggage tags, and then there's instructions on how to fold these and put it in or attach it to your luggage. But I got this neat little attacher thing that I'm going to attach to our suitcases, and then nothing will be lost, hopefully, and they'll arrive properly at our stateroom. Next, in the most important category, is passport. So I have my passport, I have my husband's passport right here, and then I have some like visa and other documentation. Next I want to talk about some like tech type of stuff. I don't have all of them here because they're still being used and will be packed and put in at the last moment. So things like toothbrush and toothpaste, we both have our electric toothbrushes which we are going to put in tomorrow. We also have an additional non-surge protected charger cable thing, because I've heard that on cruise ships you don't really, especially on the older cruise ships, you don't really have a lot of ports, so that can be used there. Then we also have our Bluetooth speaker, laptop charger, Apple Watch charger, airport charger, things like that. Apart from this, we're also obviously going to carry our first aid kit, band-aids, Tylenol, medicine and things like that, and that should be it. Oh, apart from like sunglasses and hats. Yeah, that's a lot of things. But well, hey, we're going for 10 nights. So yeah, I'm super excited. We're super excited to finally be on the sea, on the ocean, on a ship after almost 3 years. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you have any more recommendations or suggestions for our next cruise, hopefully whenever that's going to be, please let me know down in the comments below. And until then, I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.